Ta-da! Michael, leave that place, please. Ta-da! This one is your own, right?
No.
Look at the lunchbox I got for my kids. Michael, wait, let me show them.
Mommy.
Look at the lunchbox I got for my kids. Hi guys, it's unboxing time yet again. So we have another package. Can you see, guys, that just arrived from China to the UK. Royal Mail delivered it to me yet again in my house. Like, I just saw them. I wasn't even expecting it this time because I didn't really track it. So they just brought it. Okay, let's just get right into the unboxing video. I can't wait for you guys to see what I ordered again. You know, I love to order from China. Like, China is like my second home. Yes, I said that. And I can't wait to go to China one of these days. So where is the middle? I don't know. Oh my god. I'm not sure that is the middle. The package is not there. Thank you. Here you go, guys.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at what I'm seeing first. Is my daughter's school bag. Ah, see her next school bag. Oh,
Yay. Let's go back.
look at her next new school bag. This is so cute. This is the way it is. Yeah, it's a unicorn bag that she wanted, so I got it for her. So this is how they used to scatter it.
What are you going to put it back?
It's that zip beside it.
Where's my load?
Yeah, give it to daddy. Let daddy do it.
My load.
Ah, which your own? Okay. You have school bag already. Your own is still intact. See, this particular supplier is the only supplier that I buy my school bags from, because the school bags are always like, the quality is always very good, and I use washing machine to wash all my children's school bags. The one she's using for over 5 years now. I can ask her to bring it so that you guys will see it. If you see it, she has been using it since. No, it's not over 5 years. I bought it for her when she was 1 year, 7 months old or thereabout. Oh my god, see the quality, guys. See the quality. Can you see it? Look at the back. Like, I know they buy rubbish. See, I know they buy rubbish. They say, see, see it. I know they buy rubbish from China. Eh? See. I know, make a sheet go back. I know they buy rubbish. Maybe go move the camera and go up soon. Next. Oh my god. Baby, where is the razor blade? Where is the razor blade? Our plates are here. Our plates are here. Oh. See, I never expected the quality of the plate to be this good. Guys, it came in a set like this.
A cup. What's the mini cup?
You're supposed to have the deeper one, right? Oh! And it's so cheap from China. So cheap. See the quality. What color does daddy want?
I like pink.
See, I didn't know the quality would be this good. Guys, daddy, what color do you want? My husband, I know my husband will choose color pink. He will choose color pink. See the bowl ones. The bowl plates are this is a good business. So I think I should start selling plates like this. It's a good business. So.
Bowl. Pink bowl. Pink one.
Oh baby, see the magnet for our content, this thing. What is this? Oh, I like the way this guy package everything. Ah, this my forwarder, that forwards, that ships my goods from China to this UK. That they take. The guy knows how to package things. If you need the contact, chat me up. I'll give you for free. Give me now. I've not showed them the bowls. See now. Look at the bowls, guys, and it's very cheap. Oh. These plates, they are very cheap from China. The quality, see the quality. Uh, uh, if you want to buy in bulk, please send me a DM. Oh, we can help you shop from China, cheap, cheap. You guys have new cups now. I like the way it's flat and round. Next unboxing, please. Wait, the one they sold for me is as remote. Oh. Wait a minute. I hope it's not. Okay. Okay. Let's check this out. So I bought another LED light. I bought a bigger one. I got a bigger LED light for myself. What did they leave? Okay, they put the battery. Okay, he said it. He said when they are shipping goods with the has battery that can be inserted, that they will put it. I see. I see. So this one is 800 LEDs. I've ordered it for customers in Nigeria many times. 800 LED lights. It's so big. I hope it's not ROGB they brought for me. It's not ROGB. It's not ROGB. I thought it's ROGB. And it has remote too. I wasn't expecting it to. I didn't buy it with remote. That's on and off. That's a remote. Maybe help me to off it. So it uses battery. Have you guys seen the battery? In case you want to buy anything, just send me a DM. Send me a DM. Maybe let me arrange it. So he asked me if he should remove the packages, like the way they package this one. I said yes, so that it will reduce the money for shipping, because money for shipping too, it's very affordable. Chanel, like, it's even more affordable than China to Nigeria shipping. I'm telling you that for free. It's more affordable than China to Nigeria shipping. So this is the charger for it. See, when the charger for this my LED light that I'm using, when it had fault, guess how much I bought it here? £25. Hey, that £25 buy the whole this 800 LED lights with tripod. Oh, guys, it comes with tripod. In case you don't know, this particular set comes with a tripod. So I've got myself a new tripod, a new LED light. So when I'm going to Nigeria, I'm going to take one there and keep one there. So that anytime I'm going to Nigeria, I don't need to be carrying filming equipment up and down. Some will be in our house there. So what do we have here? Guys, as you are watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and refer me to someone who wants to ship from China to the UK, Italy, France, Belgium, Germany, Netherlands, and so on. Just send me a DM. So this is hair oil. This is hair oil. See it? It's for human hair. So let me open it with the razor blade. Well sealed, guys. See it? Well sealed. Well sealed. So it's so affordable. I bought it for like 600 MB or something. 1,000 something. Oh my. The last one I used in Nigeria broke. It broke. Perfume hair care essential oil. Can you see it? Perfume hair care essential oil. So this is it. It's for my hair. Okay. Next. Okay, this is wireless microphone. I got myself another microphone. So I've upgraded. So I'm going to stop using this one. And from now henceforth, you'll be seeing me use this one. Should I open it? Yes. You know I always open everything. So you guys will have a look. Wireless live lavalier microphone. Well sealed. How do you say they open this one? Daddy, please help me to open it, so that I'll show my people. So this is the remote. This is pimple patch. Pimple patch. Look at it. Acne patch. It's very cheap from China. I got three pieces, and one piece has how many patches?
Open it.
I'll open it, madam. This is pimple patch. So I used to have pimple a lot. So let me use one right now. This is the first time I'm using a pimple patch. I never used them before. It has big and small one. Yes, I bought two because of me and you. So if you want to do podcast, is it like this? You just use it to patch somewhere when you have pimple or something. Okay, where is it? And it's invisible, oh, baby. It's invisible, right? But I'm not seeing it in camera like that.
I'm not going to see
Either. Check the virus. See, the set of plates that I bought also came with for my kids. See, it came with four.
Give me.
Wait now. Small. See, look at what we got here. See what's inside. Hold on now. See what's inside, guys. See, it has knife. Cutlery complete with this. So next, we're almost done. We have just two things left. Okay, this is it. My husband has helped me to open it. This is the lavalier microphone. So I know you guys have been seeing people using this online for podcasts a lot. So I've got mine, very affordable from China. So this particular one I got is it has two ports. I mean, what's it called again? Two plug. I'll be waiting. Two receiver for Android and for iPhone. See it. And so if my husband and I want to create content, for example, so he will use one and I will use one. So it came with the four whatever. So they are inside here. Can you see them?
We have the last one.
This is the wind, whatever. What do they call it again? Yeah. So it came with two. So this is it. So guys, I've upgraded. I'll keep buying things for my content creation. Maybe please take me to repackage it. So we have lunch box.
Wait. I'm not gonna put snacks.
We have lunch boxes. Hold on. Hold on, so that we'll bring it, put it up here so that you can see it very well. We have lunch boxes. Ta-da-da. Michael, leave that place, please. Ta-da. This one is your own, right?
No.
Look at the lunch box I got for my kids. Michael, wait, let me show them. Look at the lunch box I got for my kids. It's big, right? It has arms. Hold on, let me open it. Calm down now. And the thing is now like headset. It's like headset. 1, 2, and 3. So I can put rice in one. How do they open this one?
Mommy, I said before, and my friends don't used to carry food. They only carry snacks.
Baby, you go help me. I know the tea is strong. Go.
Mommy, they only used to carry snacks and fruits. I said.
Okay, see it. These are the small one. It's heavy, like it has weight. You know that this one, you go the hot well. Leave them now, leave them. Move to this side a bit. You know, say go the hot well. So now next, let's shoot this one side. What color is your own again?
Pink. pink.
No, there was no pink.
White.
There was no pink. Oh,
Yes, please.
I didn't see pink. Oh. Ah, it's true. It's
Pink
pink.
and blue. Yeah, both pink and
Ooh.
blue.
Yeah, look at Nana's one. Ah, it came with extra spoon again. Oh.
Yes.
Where's Michael's own spoon?
Spoon.
It came with extra um wait now, see it oh, cutlery pack oh.
Louis.
You guys are enjoying, you know. Whoa!
I
Look at the way they arrange it inside, guys. See, like this, like this. Can you see, guys?
Give me mine.
Ah. Where is Michael's one? I think this is not. They will look. Okay, Michael's one is inside here. Michael, look at your own. Look at my son's own.
Mommy, forget it.
Oh, see it, guys. I beg. You guys should leave there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. If you love anything, any of the things that I unbox, do well to send me a DM to place your own order so I can help you to ship from China to Nigeria to Ghana to the UK to France to the whole Europe, wherever. Okay. Thank you once again. See you in my next one. Bye bye.